Ahead of the Edo 2024 election, Edo Governor Govunor Obaseki don inaugurate over 200 members of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) campaign committee for Oredo local government area with targets of 40,000 new votes. The governor for the inauguration of the campaign committee for the party secretariat along Airport Road for Benin City come talk say in government dey play politics of evidence and achievement and not lies or propaganda, and say e administration's performance over the last 7.5 years go guarantee the party victory come September 21. Oga Governor Coste talk say the committee wey dem inaugurate go manage the election and must focus on the unit. E come describe Oredo as the barometer of politics for the state and say dem dey change the politics for Oredo to make sure say the voters turnout dey high as against the low turnout wey dem record before. Obaseki come talk say im come to launch and support the campaign team and say im go give dem the list of im administration's achievements. Coste talk say,
our campaign will focus on what we have done. Pensioner, you must wake up. Call your tenants, call everybody in the house to go and register to make sure they vote. Because if they don't vote and the wrong party come, God forbid, their pension will stop again. Is that what you want? What about parents? Look at the schools. Any of you who have time, just go through any of our schools in Oredo. See how the teachers are teaching those children. See the confidence those children have now. Is this somebody that didn't go to school that will encourage education when you enter? Is that what we want? So every parent who has a child in a school must come out to protect the future of that child and vote the person who will continue with what we're doing. They say we didn't do road, we didn't do road. In Oredo, let us show them how many roads we have done. By going around, I'm going to give you the list of all the streets we have tarred, and you send people door to door on those streets. That the only way you can say thank you and continue so that we can do all the other ones we have not done is that they should come out and vote. This committee that we are inaugurating today to manage our election is going to be focused on units. Focused on our units. Particularly because of what happened in the last election. You know that INEC came up with new units. And many people don't know their new units. They went to the old one, they didn't see their name there. So the starting point from next week is for us to go door to door. Do you have your PVC? Fine. Where's your new unit? If you have not transferred, we'll help you do the transfer to your new unit. So that day, you can trek to your polling unit. Not that you wake up, they say no movement, therefore you cannot go to where you used to vote. We'll make sure that all those young people who don't have PVC, all your young children, tell them to go and register. We will help them to register. This election is for our future. Is for the children, is for the youths. We saw what they did the last time. But that was different because it affected the country. This time around, election is to show the young people that they have hope. That hope is not lost. If they are doing whatever they like in Abuja, in Edo, we will do the right thing. We are bringing the right candidates that will sustain what we have done.
Oredo Campaign Director General Raymond Inogeru, PDP leader for Oredo, Honorable Edos Egbomoyi, and other party leaders come talk say politics na about results and say this no be time for experiment and say they no go make excuse but go deliver their candidate come September 21.
To support the governor and the party because the kind of policies, implementation, it takes a strong will and determination and love for the people for you to be able to achieve that. Because of that, in any bus system, there must be a beneficiary. And he had a lot of fight because he cares for us, the people. The future of my children is more important to me.
The previous results of elections held here for the past 2 years, you will recall that electoral activity here has been very daunting. Therefore, I do not think that any of us need any lesson about the onerous task on our shoulders. We know historically, Oredo Council determines how election comes up in terms of result in this state.
We all should be ready to work, and I know everything will be provided by the governor. Like me now, I'm going to lose 2 kg. If you are going for election, breathe down yourself. You have to breathe down yourself. From now till September, you will see I will come down. I will come down very well. We will move from house to house. Whatever they like to say, we are ahead. Whatever they like they are doing, we should work ahead. This thing have happened before, and we won. And it's going on now. We will still win.
We want to thank ourselves primarily for this job and assignment you are giving us. We want to assure you that Oredo and this all you have inaugurated today are not going just to work on effort. We are going to bring results. What is important is results.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.